My name is Caroline Miles and my current role is Senior Youth Officer for the Post-16 team.
Working alongside Caroline is always fun. She is so passionate. Her core values of youth work shine through whatever project, whatever provision she's involved in. She empowers people, she's really enthusiastic. Her just dedication and commitment is very contagious when you work with her.
She's very much the type of manager who will get stuck in, so she wouldn't expect us to do something that she's not prepared to do. So it makes us want to do it even more because, you know, she's our leader, if you like, and we want her to feel proud of what we do as well.
She's an amazing person to get to know and work with. She's inspired me because never in a million years would I have thought of being a brand ambassador and a young leader.
It's about changing mindsets and enabling and empowering young people to realise they can do anything they want to do. And I believe that, and that's why I love youth work.
Caroline, thank you so much for the last 3 years. I don't think you realise how much you've inspired me and encouraged me to keep going. The whole team are so proud of you.
I'm so pleased that you've received this nomination for all your hard work, dedication and commitment.
Good luck and yeah, thank you.